unlock it.
You want me to lock it? Unlock? You unlock it. Pull it.
Close it.
Close it. Go sleep. Go night-night.
Open door.
Open door.
Close it.
Close the door. Sleep.
That's Gracie's bed.
Say night-night. Night-night, Jima. Night-night, Jima. Hey, I'll watch him anytime, madam. Got a place for...
Who needs all these complicated playpens and everything?
This is the dog cage. We're good. Get throw a bottle in there. A few bones, a few cookies. The only problem is Gracie would probably try to get in there with him.
There's not room for you and Gracie in there, is there? And a monkey and an alligator.
Open gate, please.
Open the gate, please. Okay.
No, close the door. Gate.
Man, sorry, Jima.
Sorry, Gina.
Stepped on your foot. Stepped on your